Brian Gambardelli here from MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on the 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This boat is powered by a white Mercury 300 outboard. You'll notice you have sea deck throughout the boat here on the swim platform. Telescoping ladder to get in and out of the water nice and easy. Large sun pad here. Your port side under this storage bin is your batteries, your battery charger, and your battery switch. On our starboard side, you got a nice cooler so you can access drinks and ice. You're hanging out at the back of the boat. Also, you have your fuel fill right here at the back, which is nice and easily accessible. Underneath our sun pad, you've got a large storage area. So right now you have a bow filler cushion stowed in there. This is be a nice place to put anything, tote bags, water toys, things like that. Nice feature on this, someone wants to lay down and get some sun, you can have a nice headrest here. And the storage on this boat is very ample. Come take a look at this. You could fit your whole Coast Guard kit in here. Almost a small cooler, really. Both your captain and passenger, you have reversible backrests, so conveniently located for your passenger here. And they also do have a dry storage box. Now we access our head, which is underneath the helm. You got dual Simrad screens, as well as your physical rocker switches. Making your way forward, this is where your table is stowed. This boat does have a bow block off door, so in case you want to get out of the wind in the rain, shut this door, shut the window, and you're all set. Coming forward, you have a bracket for a table here at the bow. Another cooler, nice place to put more ice and drinks, which is always nice. The boat is equipped with a bow boarding ladder, which is really cool. So if you're anchored up and you want the kids to go on and off the boat, they can easily do it from the front or the back of the boat. Your windlass is also accessible in here. You have a remote control. You could operate it from the helm or from the bow. And you do have a freshwater rinse off. So if the kids want to rinse off sand and salt, or you want to rinse off some gunk that came up on the anchor, nice and easy. If you're interested in this boat, contact us here at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.